है नई जवानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना।
अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
निकले हैं मैदान में हम जहाँ हथेली पर लेकर, अब देखो दम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर।
काउंसिल सावधान, काउंसिल कदम डाल शुरू कर।
यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। तुझे अब ये दिखाना है। जमीन और आसमां पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है।
सलाम देंगे। सलामे दो। हाथ नीचे। साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू कर। साथ झंडा गीत शुरू कर। साथ विश्राम।
A celebration in our school. Let us pay respect to our great nation and remember all the bygone people who lost their lives in an attempt to secure this legacy for us. On this occasion, we take great pleasure in welcoming our chief guest Pratham Visavadia and our guest of honor Shri Sameer Patel and Shri Vikram Patel, heads of all sessions, teachers, PTA members and all my dear friends.
2023-24, Pratham Visavadia certainly made us proud by securing 90.60% at the SSC board examination. He also did us the honor of hoisting the flag. Thank you, Pratham. I now call upon his 10th grade class teacher, Reshma Miss, to say something more about Pratham.
Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day. It is every teacher's dream to honor their students for their achievements. This year, I am the fortunate one. Pratham Visavadia, our topper, who has scored 94.60%. Okay? That is not the main thing. The icing on the cake here is, he has achieved all this without attending any coaching classes. Pratham Visavadia is a self-motivated, resilient and an optimistic student. throughout his school journey, he has actively participated in. He's also a very good orator. As a class teacher, what I like most about him is his sense of humor and his constant smile. His best quality is, like, he is fearless to ask questions. However insignificant it might may seem to the others, but he is not at all embarrassed about it. He has the courage to stand up and ask his questions and clear his doubts. Okay, and I think that is like, that puts him apart from the rest of the class. Okay, so now his remarkable study habits and discipline will lead him to a bright future. These qualities will support him in his endeavors. And he's so endearing, he's always respectful towards his teachers. Pratham Visavadia, I'm so proud of you. God bless you. Best of luck.
A token of appreciation for his presence in school on this national festival, we request Vikram sir to felicitate Pratham Visavadia.
The tricolor on 15th August and 26th January as a mark of respect to our nation is also a showcase of one of our national emblems. The tricolor has special significance with respect to its design and color. The English Primary Choir will tell us about it in the form of a song, accompanied by Sumit sir.
something very important to tell us through their dance. The tiny tots of our school are asking us to change our apathetic attitude towards the environment. They are teaching us to show concern for and respect the environment and keep it safe for future generations.
हजारों रोशनी घुल घुल जाए हवा में चाशनी है सेवा का जुनून क्या छोटा क्या बड़ा कुछ कर गुजरने का फितूर जब चढ़ा तूने है सिखाया धूप में है छाया एक सोच है जागी जागी धरती के लिए एक जोत है जागी जागी प्रकृति के लिए ओ हाँ ओ नदियाँ पर्वत सागर बादल चारों दिशाएं बहती गाती मधुमाती ये अल्लड़ हवाएं मल खाती आती तरंगे ये लहरें किनारे चमके पेड़ पत्ते बूंदे झिलमिल सितारे तूने जो बताया बोया तो फल पाया है सेवा का जुनून क्या छोटा क्या बड़ा कुछ कर गुजरने का फितूर जब चढ़ा एक सोच है जागी जागी धरती के लिए एक जोत है जागी जागी प्रकृति के लिए हो
Good morning everyone. Wishing you all happy Independence Day. Today I wanna speak about how to save our environment. Environment is all about the living things like plants, animals and birds, and non-living things like water, air, land and rocks. We can save our environment by planting trees, not wasting water, reduce, recycle, saving electricity, caring for animals, avoid using plastic bags. Mother Earth has provided for millions of years that we save Earth to save mankind. We should all follow Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means world is one family. Thank you.
The Government of India has announced the theme for this year as Viksit Bharat or Developed India. It symbolizes the vision of a developed nation by 2047 and reflects the government's commitment to transform India. Krisha Patel of the Gujarati Secondary would like to share her views on the occasion of India's 78th Independence Day.
ઉપસ્થિત સર્વ અતિથિગણ, આદરણીય સેક્શન હેડ, શિક્ષકો અને તમામ મારા પ્રિય મિત્રો, આજે જ્યારે આપણે દેશનો 78મો સ્વતંત્ર દિવસ ઉજવી રહ્યા છે ત્યારે રાષ્ટ્રીયતાના દિવસે હું તમારા દરેકનું હૃદયના ઊંડાણથી સ્વાગત કરું છું. આવા મહત્વપૂર્ણ પ્રસંગે તમને બધાને સંબોધવાની અને મારા પોતાના વિચારો વ્યક્ત કરવાની તક આપવા બદલ હું ખૂબ જ સન્માનની લાગણી અનુભવું છું. સાહિત્યના 9 રસ છે: શૃંગાર, હાસ્ય, કરુણ, રૌદ્ર, વીર, ભયાનક, વિભત્સ, અદ્ભુત અને શાંત રસ. આવી જ રીતે આપણી આઝાદીના પણ 9 રસ છે. રાજા શંકર શાહ અને તેમના પુત્રને તોપને આગળ બાંધીને મૃત્યુદેહનો દંડ આપવામાં આવ્યો હતો. તે સમયનો કરુણ રસ. જલિયાવાલા હત્યાકાંડનો વિભત્સ અને ભયાનક રસ. 1917ની ચંપારણ ઘટના અને ભગતસિંહ, રાજગુરુ, સુખદેવની ફાંસીની ઘટનાનો અદ્ભુત રસ. ઝાંસીની રાણીનો વીર રસ. જુવાર વિદ્રોહ, રંપા વિદ્રોહ, કોલ વિદ્રોહ, મુંડા વિદ્રોહ, વિલીનીકરણના સમયે સરદારના રૌદ્ર સ્વરૂપે અંગ્રેજોને હલાવી દીધા હતા. ભગતસિંહની અંગ્રેજોને ચકતો આપતી વખતનો હાસ્ય રસ. આઝાદી મળ્યા પછી ભારતને સંપૂર્ણ સ્વતંત્રતાની જીતમાં છલકતો શૃંગાર રસ. આમ ખૂબ જ સંઘર્ષથી મળેલી આઝાદીની આપણે કદર કરવી જોઈએ. આપણા વડવાઓના વર્ષોના સંઘર્ષને કારણે આપણે લગભગ તમામ ક્ષેત્રોમાં જેમ કે શિક્ષણ, વાહન વ્યવહાર, વ્યવસાય, રમતગમત વગેરેમાં સ્વતંત્રતા મેળવી છે. આપણો દેશ એકતા અને વિવિધતાનો સંગમ છે. આ વિવિધતા સાથે આપણે ઘણી પ્રગતિ કરી છે, જેની આપણે કદર કરવી જોઈએ. આજના યુવા તરીકે આપણી પાસે આપણા રાષ્ટ્રના ભાવિને આકાર આપવાની શક્તિ છે. તે માટે આપણે હંમેશા પ્રયત્નશીલ રહેવું જોઈએ. સતત શિક્ષણ, સમાનતા અને પ્રગતિ માટેના પ્રયત્નો કરવા જોઈએ. આજે આપણે એ દિવસની ઉજવણી કરી રહ્યા છીએ જ્યારે આપણો દેશ બ્રિટિશ રાજથી આઝાદ થયો હતો અને આ દિવસ ખૂબ જ મહત્વ ધરાવે છે. હંમેશા યાદ રાખો કે સ્વતંત્રતા જવાબદારી લાવે છે. ચાલો ઉજ્જવળ ભવિષ્યને ઘડવામાં શિક્ષણનો એક સાધન તરીકે ઉપયોગ કરીએ. ચાલો આપણા દેશના વિકાસમાં સકારાત્મક યોગદાન આપવાનો સંકલ્પ કરીએ. સારે જહાં સે અચ્છા હિન્દુસ્તાન હમારા. આપણું ભારત વિશ્વમાં શ્રેષ્ઠ છે. ચાલો તેને વધુ સારું બનાવવા સાથે મળીને કામ કરીએ અને એક એવું રાષ્ટ્ર બનાવીએ જ્યારે દરેક હૃદય ગર્વથી ગાઈ શકે અને દરેક આત્મા સ્વતંત્રતા સાથે જીવી શકે. જય હિન્દ.
Speech. It's now time for an audio-visual treat. History has taught us about great deeds and achievements of the past, but it is our duty to create history of the future. It was not just the duty of the Indians in the past to display patriotism in the face of British rule, but the duty of every Indian citizen today.
Some or the other way need to display our patriotism or love for the country we were born in, will live in and thrive in, paying taxes, participation in elections, following rules and regulations, respecting our natural resources, conserving and preserving the environment are some of the ways we can prove our patriotism. The English secondary section wants to say something more about modern patriotism. What can I do for India? Please listen carefully and see if you feel the same.
But we are not done yet, Rudra. The English secondary section will continue to enthrall you with a beautiful semi-classical dance based on the beautiful song by A.R. Rahman, Maa Tujhe Salam. Truly we pay tribute to our motherland, India, and we vow to honor her with our duties and salute her for her greatness.
के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी के तुम हार दो
My fellow Indians, I stand before you today with immense pride and burning passion for our great nation. The journey for our freedom was long and arduous, marked by immense sacrifice, tireless struggle, and unwavering determination. We faced the might of an oppressive empire, but we stood resolute and united for the quest for our freedom. I witnessed the depth of our collective struggle. I have seen people rise from the ashes of despair with fierce determination that no force on earth could quell. From the fields of Bardoli, where I stood with the farmers in their satyagraha against the unjust taxes, to the corridors of Indian National Congress, where we strategized and fought for a nation's destiny. I have seen the indomitable spirit of people. I sacrificed my personal comfort, my time and my energy, knowing that my nation needed it. We came together, we defied the unjust system and emerged victorious. The victory was not mine alone. The victory was of every farmer, every worker and every Indian. Do not let the sacrifices of our martyrs be in vain. Be in vain. Be in vain.
के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान.
Happy Independence Day to all gathered here today. We are happy to host this convention of professionals from all over India. This national festival brings to mind the patriotic fervor displayed by the freedom fighters who helped free India of British rule. But that wasn't the end of the patriotic fervor. It continued, finally to bring us here today as part of BRICS, G20 and one of the fastest developing economies in the world. Today, all of us want to carry forward the legacy of patriotism and take India to the global pinnacle it once enjoyed. Now, we are not only active but also innovative in our respective fields of work. So, let us proclaim it to all Indians on this occasion.
इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
I am an educator. My classroom is not just a space for learning. It is here where my students cultivate essential life skills and values. I foster critical thinking by encouraging my students to question, analyze, form their opinion and involve them in group discussions to build their confidence and develop social skills. I create an inclusive environment where each one feels valued. I emphasize the importance of civic responsibility through role plays, debates and projects. I ignite a passion for community service in my students through the Green Line activities. By cultivating strong communication skills, I equip my students to articulate their thoughts clearly and persuasively. I continually enhance my skills as an educator by attending the latest pedagogy training session and staying up to date with the new NEP policy. As an educator, I am creating strong, confident, articulate and empathetic students who will not only be responsible citizens but will also actively contribute to the advancement of our country. बढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. बढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में दिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी. हम हिंदुस्तानी.
I am a cardiologist. I contribute to the well-being of my fellow citizens, helping them live healthier life and thereby strengthening the heart of our nation. Throughout my career, I've cared for countless patients from diverse backgrounds, strengthening the heart from diverse backgrounds, witnessing how access to quality healthcare can be critical. My goal extends beyond treating heart disease, aiming to address the root cause of heart issues. Our country has become the epicenter of diabetes, which is one of the causes. My team and I have conducted various workshops and seminars to educate communities on the importance of sanitation, healthy diet, exercise, and managing stress. Through these workshops and social media, we are actively educating the public on first aid for accidents, CPR, and the latest technology like angiography through screening, which is cheaper but not common in India, and other new surgical processes like robotic and magnetic surgery. My team and I encounter significant challenges in ensuring the accessibility in rural areas, which we addressed by developing apps to maintain individuals' health record and offer telemedicines as well as training local health workers. Additionally, we organize free health checkups and distribute free medicines every month to ensure that no one is deprived of medical care. Our nation grows stronger, one healthy heartbeat at a time. स्वस्थ रहेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया.
स्वस्थ रहेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. कमाल वो आके ज़मीन पे देख जाए आसमां. शाबाशिया
स्वास्थ्य और पोषण का ध्यान रखती हूँ, जिससे परिवार की भलाई सुनिश्चित होती है। मैं संस्कृति, परंपरा एवं नैतिक मूल्यों का संरक्षण करती हूँ। मैं शिक्षा के द्वारा हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी को सशक्त एवं सबल बनाती हूँ, जिससे कि वे आगे चलकर देश के विकास में अपना योगदान दे सके। इतना ही नहीं, जब भी मेरे परिवार पर कोई विपदा या संकट आता है, तो मैं अपने परिवार की ढाल बनकर उनका साथ देती हूँ। जब मेरा परिवार आर्थिक तंगी की समस्या से जूझ रहा था, उस वक्त अपने परिवार को उस समस्या से बाहर निकालने के लिए मैंने YouTube चैनल के जरिए नई गृहिणियों को एवं ऐसे बच्चे जो अपने परिवार से दूर रहते हैं, उन बच्चों को गृह प्रबंधन व्यवस्था का मार्गदर्शन देने का कार्य शुरू किया। इस तरह एक गृहिणी होने के नाते मैं इन छोटे छोटे कदमों को उठाकर देश को बेहतर बनाने में अपना बहुमूल्य योगदान दे रही हूँ। गृहिणी से है घर की शान, गृहिणी से है देश की आन।
गृहिणी से है घर की शान, गृहिणी से है देश की आन।
वसुंधरा नीला ये
I am an environmentalist. My passion for environment began with my fascination for nature's delicate balance. My commitment took shape through a series of impactful activities. I started by volunteering with local conservation groups, organizing cleanup drives along rivers and beaches. Every year I led community initiatives to plant trees, working to restore deforested areas and to improve urban green patches. Educational outreach became a key part of my work as I conducted workshops in schools and community areas to raise awareness about the sustainable practices. Under the environmental organization which I founded, students conducted various activities, including collecting used multi-layered plastic wrappers which are hazardous to the environment and sending it for recycling. Students and the community members were taught the technique of composting wet waste by my team. I encouraged my society members to set up rainwater harvesting system in their buildings. Now the residents of my society are free from water scarcity problem. I consistently urge my society members to avoid using plastic wrappers and to use cloth bags for shopping instead. I always set an example for others through my own action. In conclusion, every effort I make, no matter how small, contributes to ensure a thriving environment for future generations. Go green, breathe clean.
Go green, breathe clean.
Better environment, better tomorrow.
Better environment, better tomorrow.
My dream is to create an India where no child is left behind and where every child is cherished and loved. In Delhi, I have made significant contributions to this cause. I have founded a non-profit organization that provides food, shelter, education, emotional support and skill development programs for homeless children, empowering them to break the cycle of poverty. As a key figure in Right to Food campaign, I have fought for children's right to access nutritious food. I have also worked tirelessly to secure housing rights for homeless families and advocated policy changes to address the root cause of homelessness. Furthermore, I initiated a campaign promoting love, compassion and solidarity in the face of hate and violence. My unwavering commitment towards the welfare of these children have made a meaningful impact on their lives and continues to inspire others. Every child, regardless of their circumstances, deserves a life of dignity and opportunity. My country, my responsibility.
My country, my responsibility.
Thank you.
मी शेतकरी आहे. मी आधुनिक भारतात राहणारा, आधुनिक तंत्रज्ञानाचा वापर करणारा शेतकरी आहे. शिकलेला तरुण असल्याशिवाय शेतीची प्रगती होणार नाही हे लक्षात येताच मी शेतकरी होण्याचा निर्णय घेतला. मी मूळचा कोकणातला. प्रथम गावापासूनच आपण सुरुवात करूया असा विचार केला. मी उच्च मूल्याने युक्त भाजीपाला, पिके व फुलांच्या उत्पादनासाठी शेडनेट हाऊसचा वापर करत आहे, ज्यामुळे देशातील तापमान, आर्द्रता व कार्बन डायऑक्साईडच्या प्रमाणावर काही प्रमाणात नियंत्रण ठेवू शकतो. शेतामध्ये मी मल्चिंग पेपरचा वापर केल्यामुळे पिकांमध्ये अजिबात तण वाढत नाही. त्याचबरोबर खुरपणीचा प्रचंड खर्च पूर्णतः वाचतो आहे. मी ठिबक सिंचन पद्धतही आमच्या शेतात राबवत आहे, ज्यामुळे पिके जोमाने वाढतील व दर्जेदार पीक मिळत आहे. मी ठिबक सिंचनाच्या गुणांमुळे पिकं दर्जेदार वाढतात. होय, मी शेतकरी आहे आणि शेतकऱ्याचे राहणीमान सुधारले आहे. पण मी दुर्बळ, पिचलेला, हताश, आत्महत्येला कवटाळणारा नसून आजच्या आधुनिक भारतातला एक तरुण, तडफदार, तंत्रस्नेही आणि महत्वाकांक्षी शेतकरी आहे. जय जवान, जय किसान.
जय जवान, जय किसान. दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, खोल दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम.
આજે અહીં ઊભી રહીને હું આપણા દેશ
unleash the room, ignite India's spirit.
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो।
I am filled with immense pride and admiration for the extraordinary contribution by young Indian professionals, from doctors, engineers and educators to homemakers, farmers, industrialists and environmentalists. Each of you has played a significant role in shaping the destiny of our nation. Each of you, through your respective fields, have shown a profound sense of patriotism. Your service, dedication and commitment are the true reflection for the spirit of India. You are the embodiment of our dreams we once envisioned during our struggle for freedom. As I look upon this new generation, I see fruition of our aspiration and realization of our sacrifices. You are the torch bearers of our legacy, and it is through your efforts that India continues to rise and shine at a global stage. Remember, the freedom you enjoyed today was hard-earned. It came at a cost of blood, sweat and tears. Now it is your responsibility to protect it and nurture it for the generations to come. Let us build an India that not only honors our past but also embraces our future with hope, innovation and endless possibilities. Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
ज़मीन आसमानों में नहीं मुमकिन।
From our chief guest, Pratham Visavadia, as a senior, had always impressed us in some or the other manner. An all-round academic topper, orator, and sound in Jain scriptures, Pratham is no stranger to public speaking. We are sure that he has prepared for his speech, and we look forward to listen to him. We invite Pratham to address the audience.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected management members, principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. First off, I want to make one thing clear. that none of what I have achieved today would be possible without the grace of my Lord Swaminarayan and my Guru, His Holiness Mahan Swami Maharaj. Everything comes from God. Without God we cannot do anything. Similarly, without Lord Swaminarayan and Mahan Swami Maharaj, none of this would be real. To my parents, thank you for being my rock, my motivation, and my reality check when I needed it. You didn't just support me, you made sure there was no other option but success. Thank you for being the force behind everything I do. Your belief in me was the fire that kept me going, and I am here today because of you. To my teachers, thank you for refusing to let me be average. You didn't let me settle for anything less than greatness, and for that I am grateful. You pushed, challenged, and sometimes even frustrated me, but you also made me realize what I am truly capable of. Now, let me tell you how I got here. It wasn't by playing it safe or following the crowd. While others were making excuses, I was putting in the work. While others were sleeping, I was grinding. I not only worked hard, I worked like there was no other option. The truth is, I didn't come this far just to come this far. I didn't just aim to pass, I aimed to dominate, and that's exactly what I did. This journey wasn't about working hard. It was about outworking everyone else. It was about staying laser focused when distractions tried to knock me off course. It was about believing in myself even when others didn't. So to anyone who thought I couldn't do it, thank you. You just added fuel to the fire. Always remember, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. Thank you all for being here today. This is just the beginning. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratham. We wish you all the best and wish that you succeed in all that you undertake in life. We have now come to the end of the program. I call upon Jia Dhilla to propose the vote of thanks, after which Shefali Miss and Sumit Sir will lead us in singing Vande Mataram.
અહીં ઉપસ્થિત સર્વને આપણા स्वतंत्र दिनी शुभकामना। इंसान का इंसान से हो भाईचारा, यही है पैगाम हमारा, यही है पैगाम हमारा। नए जगत में हुआ पुराना ऊंच नीच का किस्सा, सबको मिले मेहनत के मुताबिक अपना अपना हिस्सा। सबके लिए सुख का बराबर हो बंटवारा, यही है पैगाम हमारा, यही है पैगाम हमारा। कवि प्रदीपની આ પંક્તિ આપણને સ્વતંત્રતાનો ખરો અર્થ સમજાવી જાય છે। આજના ગૌરવભર્યા દિવસે મને અહીં ઊભા રહી આભાર વિધિ કરવાનો અવસર મળ્યો, તે માટે ગૌરવની લાગણી અનુભવું છું। સૌ પ્રથમ હું અહીં ઉપસ્થિત મુખ્ય અતિથિનો આભાર માનું છું, જેઓએ પોતાનો અમૂલ્ય સમય અમને આપ્યો। અહીં ઉપસ્થિત શ્રી વિક્રમભાઈ, સમીરભાઈ અને સમગ્ર સંસ્થાપક મંડળનો હું આભાર માનું છું। અહીં કાર્યક્રમ રજૂ કરનાર દરેક વિદ્યાર્થીઓનો પણ હું આભાર માનું છું। અહીં ઉપસ્થિત બધા શિક્ષકોનો અને સેક્શન હેડનો આભાર માનું છું, જેમણે વિદ્યાર્થીઓને આ કૃતિ કરવાની પ્રેરણા આપી। કાર્યક્રમને સફળ બનાવી પ્રત્યક્ષ અને પરોક્ષ રીતે પોતાના સહભાગ આપનાર દરેકનો હું આભાર માનું છું। ખૂબ ખૂબ ધન્યવાદ।
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे। थैंक यू सो मच।